Precision deburring is a crucial step for automotive DIYers and restorers, especially when working in confined or hard-to-reach areas. Removing sharp edges and imperfections not only ensures a professional finish, but also enhances safety and component longevity. Traditional tools often struggle to access tight spaces, making the process challenging and time-consuming. Long-shank carbide burrs offer an effective solution thanks to their extended reach and robust cutting capabilities. These specialized burrs allow users to maneuver around obstacles and achieve clean results without compromising accuracy. By integrating long-shank carbide burrs into their toolkit, automotive enthusiasts can tackle intricate deburring tasks with confidence and efficiency. Long-shank carbide burrs are specifically designed to reach deep or narrow areas that standard burrs cannot access. This makes them particularly useful for tasks such as working inside engine bores, valve ports, and slots, where precision and reach are essential. Their extended shank allows for greater maneuverability in confined spaces, reducing the risk of accidental contact with surrounding surfaces. These burrs are compatible with a wide range of rotary tools, ensuring versatility in different workshop settings. Additionally, they are suitable for use on various metals, including steel, aluminum, and cast iron, making them a reliable choice for automotive, industrial, and fabrication applications. The combination of durability and adaptability makes long-shank carbide burrs an indispensable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Deburring in confined spaces requires specialized techniques to ensure precision and prevent damage. One effective method is to use an angled approach, which allows better access to tight or awkward areas. It's important to maintain controlled speed and pressure during the process, as excessive force can lead to unwanted scratches or deformation. Instead of trying to remove all burrs in a single pass, making multiple light passes helps gradually smooth the edges without compromising the integrity of the material. These careful steps contribute to a cleaner finish and reduce the risk of errors in challenging environments. Choosing the right burr shape and size is essential for achieving precise results in any project. Cylindrical burrs are ideal for flat surfaces and straight edges, while ball-shaped burrs excel at contouring and creating concave cuts. Oval burrs are well-suited for smoothing and shaping rounded areas, and tapered burrs provide excellent access to tight corners and intricate details. When working in confined or hard-to-reach spaces, selecting a smaller burr can greatly enhance maneuverability and control. Matching the burr geometry to the specific contours of your work area ensures both efficiency and accuracy. Magnification aids play a crucial role in improving visibility and accuracy when working in confined or challenging environments. Tools such as visors and loupes allow professionals to see fine details that would otherwise be difficult to discern with the naked eye. LED lights provide focused illumination, reducing shadows and enhancing contrast in small spaces. Endoscope cameras offer a unique perspective, enabling users to view and record areas that are otherwise inaccessible. Together, these devices help ensure greater precision and safety during intricate tasks. By leveraging advanced magnification and lighting technologies, professionals can achieve better outcomes and minimize errors. Before starting any rotary tool project, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Always wear protective gear, such as safety glasses and gloves, to shield yourself from flying debris and accidental contact. Make sure the workpiece is firmly secured to prevent movement during operation, which helps maintain control and accuracy. Using flexible shafts can enhance maneuverability, especially in detailed work, reducing strain and improving precision. Additionally, lubricating burrs before use minimizes friction, prolongs tool life, and ensures smoother performance. These simple setup tips not only optimize results, but also significantly reduce the risk of injury. Before starting any automotive DIY project, it's essential to have a clear checklist to guide your process. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials, ensuring each is clean and in good working order. Prepare your workpieces by inspecting them for damage and cleaning away any debris. When deburring, use the appropriate tools and techniques to remove sharp edges and metal fragments, promoting safety and precision. After completing your work, thoroughly clean and store your tools to maintain their longevity. Regularly inspect and maintain both your tools and workpieces to ensure optimal performance for future projects. Following these steps helps create a safer, more efficient workspace and leads to better results in your automotive repairs. When restoring classic cars, it's essential to maintain the original tolerances wherever possible. This attention to detail helps preserve the authenticity and performance of the vehicle. Before working on critical components, consider practicing your techniques on non-essential parts to build confidence and skill. For tasks that require specialized knowledge or equipment, don't hesitate to consult experienced professionals. Their expertise can prevent costly mistakes and ensure the restoration meets high standards. By combining careful practice with expert guidance, you can achieve a result that honors the car's heritage and ensures its longevity. Mastering precision deburring techniques offers significant advantages for anyone working with engine components. By carefully removing unwanted material and smoothing edges, you not only improve the overall appearance of each part, but also ensure optimal performance and reliability. Professional-grade deburring reduces the risk of mechanical failures caused by burrs and sharp edges, leading to longer-lasting and more efficient engines. Additionally, these techniques contribute to a higher standard of craftsmanship, reflecting attention to detail and expertise. In summary, investing time in perfecting deburring methods pays off in both the quality and durability of your engine components.